almost 1 hour. It's tough, really tough, and I don't think these musicians meant it when they sang. I climb every mountain, swim every ocean, just to be with you, to fix what I've broken. See, Danny, I don't think they meant it. I don't think these are the mountains they meant when they sang. Oh. I cannot talk much. I have to focus. I just need energy to focus. It's really tough. But it's only 1 hour from the old Moses camp. Let me keep trying. Just step forward. Keep moving. And trust your journey.
I see we're out of time. I guess no one's to blame. Nobody crossed the line. I guess we couldn't see. Somehow we couldn't feel. Maybe we rose too fast. Maybe we got too high. But I remember days I wonder we were always gonna last. Yeah, I do remember tears and the laughter. How could we fall so fast?
How are you feeling?
Will be no hard goodbyes like ours.
My heart is racing. I guess my heart has not come to terms with pumping blood for climbing. But yeah, it's tough, but I would say enjoyable. Ukipumzika kidogo unaendelea na safari. I guess it's the promise of the unknown. Ni kama tu life. Tunachasingi tu kama tujue tunachase nini. With hope uko mbele kuko sawa. So
Call it water Dubai, but in botanical name call it Dubai technique. So for the plant, it starts to grow like the way you can see this one, and when it is young, it holds the water with the leaves.
yeah.
Then after maturing, that is the time it will do the thing.
Eyes think I were civilized. Beyond our separate ways as we fade into gray. But I still miss the way you used to feel. Maybe we rose too fast, maybe we got too high. Yeah, I do remember tears and the laughter. How could we fall so fast and let us go? It's time to surrender now that it's ended. Nothing to say, 'cause guess we've said it all. Now I Guess we wanna believe that it's not too late. And why do we care to dream? We gotta believe it is not too late. I look into your eyes and see we're out of time.
Okay.
Yeah, but on that side we have the valley we call it.
Did what we could, my friend, but now we're at the end.
Say hi. Haraka unakaa.
I don't have energy to say hi. I don't have energy. I am finished.
You are finished.
Ostrich feathered blueberry. It starts to grow like the one you can see here.
Hey, the same.
Ni same na hii. So after maturing, that is the time it grows the thing on top. The thing you can see, it is the one that holds the flower. Very tiny purple in color.
Oh.
Yeah, so after flowering, the plant will die also.
Two.
Yes, heka number 2 here.
Unasikiaje?
So far so good.
Wacha kudanganya. Sema things as per now. Apparently sasa we done with the hardest climb. Tumeambua tumepita ni first cut.
I have no idea, but tushafika.
Yeah, they said first cut tumepita, like tukimaliza hivyo wako na hopes na sisi. Otherwise
You're still alive.
kama tungepita hapo wakianza kuthink otherwise, wanajitayarisha vile wanaturudisha huko juu. But anyways, the view is amazing. It's worth it, but you need a lot of self-motivation, as I told you earlier. A lot. So just look at the view. So we are headed to the Shipton's camp, where we'll spend our second night. And you wonder, who sent you? Who sent you, girl? You could be just somewhere in the beach relaxing, but you're torturing yourself. But anyways, I think this is a good challenge enough, and I know 32 will not look bad on me. So yeah, this was a challenge for my birthday. Today is my birthday, on 17th. That is the time of video recording. By the time it goes up, it's not 17. Let me save the energy to get to the lunch point, and I will continue showing you. Unapatwa na fog. Unapatwa na fog ikubebe. nice, getting nicer, but I have a headache. But we're almost to the lunch place and we are already halfway to the second camp. I feel tired. Oh God. I don't know why I have an headache, but let's get to the lunch place and they'll see what they can do. They say they'll provide me with some lemon water because they don't recommend swallowing tablets. So let's see how I feel. I hope I feel better. But this is lunch place. Najua iko karibu na mlima. Iko karibu na source.
How are you feeling?
Fact, I'm sorry.
Not yet.
It's so steep. What? I can make this as a bad so second last step tumefika the Shiptons camp. So I'm tired, my goodness.
Would you stay till the morning light? Or would you follow me? Or would you let it be? If I leave tonight, we could do this right.